Hi guys, welcome to Bikers Club channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about 2024 Triumph Bonneville T120 DGR Limited Edition First Look. So make sure to watch the full video. By now, the Distinguished Gentleman's Ride, DGR, has become part of the modern motorcycling lexicon, helping raise awareness and funds for men's health charities across the globe. The DGR was founded in Sydney by Mark Haww, who hit on a dapper theme for the inaugural ride in 2012, uniting fans of vintage or classic motorcycling and clothing styles under the helpful banner of charity. Since then, DGR has grown exponentially, with more than 800 host cities participating in annual DGR events globally. More than just a good time for friends to dress to the nines aboard their classic motorcycles, these well-dressed motorcyclists have helped raise over $37 million for prostate cancer research and men's health charities. 2023 marks the 10th anniversary of the DGR, and Triumph has announced the aptly named 2024 Triumph Bonneville T120 Black Distinguished Gentleman's Ride Limited Edition to help celebrate this significant milestone. Triumph became an official DGR partner in 2014, as its modern classic lineup of motorcycles is uniquely suited to fit the aesthetic vision of the DGR and its overall motive. At its core, the Bonneville T120 Black is Triumph's latest iteration of its popular Bonneville model, boasting the most recent updates to its classic-styled motorcycle. To that end, the same tried-and-true steel cradle frame houses the T120's ample liquid-cooled 1200cc parallel twin engine, appointed with authentic throwback styling cues such as twin clocks, wire-spoke wheels, and much more. Yet, the limited edition model is adorned with numerous stylistic appointments that make it unique. First, a special two-tone DGR livery combines a monochrome metallic phantom black and crystal white paint scheme inspired by a dress suit. Think black tie attire on a motorcycle. The fuel tank features a gold stripe, and the side panels boast hand-painted gold pinstriping. According to Triumph representatives, the gold touches are inspired by chic clothing accessories, such as a gold pocket watch or tie pin. The final touches come in the form of DGR 2023 gold script logos emblazoned on the fuel tank and side panels, along with a brown stitched bench seat and pillion strap, driving home the vintage vibe. We are delighted to be celebrating the 10th year anniversary of our unique relationship with the DGR, which is an incredibly important partnership for Triumph and the thousands of Triumph DGR fans across the world. Triumph Chief Commercial Officer Paul Stroud said about the continued commitment to DGR and Triumph's latest limited edition model in support of the event. From the beginning, it was clear that the DGR and Triumph was a perfect fit, with a shared passion for motorcycles, style, and riding for the people you love, something that is much more than sponsorship. Everyone involved over the last decade of the DGR, from the Triumph and DGR teams, to our dealers, the army of DGR organizers and ride hosts, and the legions of riders who passionately support this wonderful event and cause, should be justifiably proud of the impact their efforts have had. With the launch of the new DGR edition of our Bonneville T120 Black, our ambition is to mark this wonderful occasion with something truly special that, for me, epitomizes the spirit of the DGR and delivers a new way to delight riders and celebrate this incredible cause. Each 2024 Triumph Bonneville T120 Black Distinguished Gentleman's Ride Limited Edition comes with a numbered certificate of authenticity featuring the motorcycle's vehicle identification number and DGR number, and is signed by Haww and Triumph CEO Nick Bloor. Model 001 will be presented to the DGR event that achieves the highest fundraising in 2023. Pricing for the United States is set at $13,495. What do you think about our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel before you go.